Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello parents. In this video I will explain how to make baby food with spinach. Making your own baby food is simple and ensures your little one gets fresh, nutritious meals. First, choose fresh, organic spinach for the best quality. Then, wash the spinach thoroughly under cool, running water. Finally, remove any tough stems from the leaves before you begin cooking. This ensures a smoother puree for your baby. Now, let's talk about cooking your spinach. You can steam it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's tender. Another option is to boil the spinach for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes soft. Blanching is a great technique that helps retain both the nutrients and that beautiful, vibrant green color. Remember, avoid overcooking to keep all those wonderful vitamins intact for your baby. Once your spinach is cooked, it's time to puree it for your baby. Blend the cooked spinach with a small amount of breast milk, formula, or even water. Start by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of liquid to achieve a smooth consistency. You can always add more if needed. Remember to adjust the texture to suit your baby's developmental stage. A slightly chunkier texture is fine for older infants. Finally, let's discuss storing and serving your homemade spinach baby food. You can store the pureed spinach in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, freeze individual portions in ice cube trays for up to 3 months. When ready to serve, thaw frozen portions in the refrigerator overnight. Always remember to test the temperature of the food before offering it to your little one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.